Hi YouTube, how are you doing? This time I'm doing a completely different video. I'm looking for postdocs to fill 2 postdoc positions we have in the Institute for the INTRECOM project. So follow me to the Schlossberg and I give you more details. For the INTRECOM project, as we start this year, I am looking for 2 postdoctoral researchers. For both of them, it's a 4-year position starting in December 2020. I need the skills of people who have experience in brain-computer interfaces, even more in intracranial brain-computer interfaces, signal processing in EEG, and even better in electrocorticograms, so in ECOG signals. Also, it would be good that people have some experience in working with a patient, since we want to implant electrodes on the surface of the brain of a patient with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. So if you are the right person to work in Graz in this very nice environment with the BCI lab, with the Graz BCI lab, then apply, send an email direct to me. Go for the website I'm showing you here, find more details on the salary and all that important stuff, and I hope I hear from you.